Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you 3 back to school or back to work healthy breakfast ideas. We're gonna get started with coconut flour pancakes. Start by mixing together 1/4 cup of coconut flour with 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then mix together 4 eggs, 1/4 of a cup of milk, and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now mix it all together until everything is well combined. At first it's gonna look very watery, but before you use it, let it sit for 5 minutes and then it's gonna get this consistency. Next, we're going to make breakfast quinoa. In a small pot, mix together half a cup of quinoa, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix all that together and cook it like you would cook regular quinoa. When the quinoa is cooked, transfer some to a plate. I ended up adding a little bit more milk to mine once it was on the plate. Then I topped it with bananas, strawberries, almonds, raisins, and drizzled a little bit of peanut butter diluted in milk. Lastly, we're going to make egg breakfast toast. Start by cooking 2 eggs. I'm making mine sunny side up, but if you're not a fan of sunny side up eggs, you can definitely just scramble them. Now I'm just spreading a little bit of avocado to a piece of rye bread. And then I'm gonna sprinkle this everything but the bagel seasoning. It is really good. It has onion, garlic, salt, sesame, and poppy seeds. It's really yummy. Then I'm just putting a little bit of tomato and topping it with my 2 sunny side up eggs. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys like these 3 really fast, easy, and healthy recipes. And if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these.